Hello, welcome to Nootsie Yoga. Today we're going to do a routine for focus and one that will help you reboot. We're going to create space in the body. So let's just get right into it. So let's start right where we are. Feet hip distance apart. Let's just take those shoulders and roll them around. Maybe close your eyes. Inhale and exhale out of the nose. With those lips sealed. Good. All right, let's just bring the hands up above the head. Putting them together, shoulders down, arching just a little bit, looking up at the hands. Let's inhale and exhale. All right, grab the wrist and just pull it over to the side. Good. Feel that nice side body stretch, and let's just go a little bit farther. Inhale and exhale. Good. Coming up to center, arching just a little bit. And grabbing that wrist. Creating nice length in the side body. In and out of the nose. Just a little bit farther. Inhale. And exhale. All right, let's go to the top of the mat if you have one. We're going to start with mountain pose right here. So feet hip distance apart. We're going to take it up. And we're going to fold all the way down to forward fold. Good. Now I want you to keep a deep bend in your knee. Maybe grab the backs of the legs and pull the head in. Just nod the head yes and no. Relaxing the jaw. Now right here, we're just going to open up the side body just a little bit more and the backs of the hips and go to the left. Good. And bring it farther over. If you'd like, you can clasp elbows and do it that way or have your hands down. One more time each side. Good. All right, put the left hand down, and we're just gonna open up the right arm, and we're gonna twist towards the back wall. So the center of the body, the torso, towards the side wall. Good. Bring the hand down and open it up. Good. Come back to center. And just grab the backs of the legs and pull it in, keeping a nice bend in the knee, and the torso can be resting on the thighs. All right, hands down. We're going to walk back to downward facing dog. Let's go wide with the feet. Hands wider than shoulder distance apart, keeping those hands pointed out to protect the shoulders and the wrists. Lifting the heels, bending the knees, bringing the torso in. Good. Nice lengthening of the spine. Just pedal the feet right and left, right and left. Keeping the belly engaged. All right, now we're going to take that right leg and we're going to lift it up. And let's just point and flex. Point and flex. We're bringing good blood to the brain. Good. Now let's bend that knee, and then you're just going to lift the knee towards the ceiling, ever so gently twisting the torso, feeling the side open up and the thigh. Good. Straighten the leg, bring it down, and bring the other leg up. Good. And point and flex, point and flex. Point and flex, and bend that knee, bringing that knee up towards the ceiling, straightening and bringing the foot down. Now we're going to walk our feet up towards the front of the mat, forward fold. We're going to come up to chair pose. All right, so your feet can be together or hip distance apart. We're going to sit it down, tailbone towards the back of the mat, lift up those toes and put them back down, roll those shoulders down and hold it right here. Firing up those thighs, inhale, and exhale. All right, now you're gonna bring your hands to heart center. We're gonna twist, anchor it on the outside of the knee. Make sure your knees are even, and pushing the hands together, rotating the chest, relaxing the neck. Good, forward fold. Good. Coming up to chair, bending, bringing that tailbone down, firing up the thighs, hands down to heart center, the other side. Make sure those knees are even, twisting the torso, pushing the hands together, forward fold. Good, coming up, hands on your hip. Now we're gonna step back wide with the right leg, so step back. And you should be at least a leg distance apart. So this toe is coming towards the corner of the mat, knee over ankle. The heel should be in line with the arch of the foot, bringing the arms out for warrior two. Bend down into it. Inhale and exhale. Good, one more, inhale and exhale. Now we're gonna straighten that leg. We're gonna push the hip back and we're gonna come down to triangle pose. So you wanna open up that chest, extending that arm towards the ceiling, looking up if you can. If you can't, just think about looking up. Inhale and exhale out of the nose, keeping the belly engaged. Don't drop the torso. Keep the torso up. You can press against that leg. Good. Now we're gonna lift it up. And we're gonna turn that toe in. We're gonna go to the other side. So let's bend it down. Just those legs if you need to. The heel in line with the arch. Right here, lifting through the crown. Keeping the belly in nice and tight. Looking out over the middle finger. Warrior two. Inhale and exhale. Good, all right. Straighten that leg, pushing the hip back. Coming down for triangle pose. Having it against the leg. Lifting that hand up, looking up if you can. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right, lifting. Now we're gonna turn both toes in, heels out. So good neutral pose here, hands on the hips, rolling the shoulders down and back. Lifting through the crown of the head. Let's inhale and exhale right here. Now we're gonna do a wide leg forward fold. So we're gonna bend down, keeping a micro bend in the knee. We're gonna stay right here where the back is parallel to the ground. Front of the head, crown of the head, tracking towards the front of the room. Take a breath here. Bring those shoulder blades together. Inhale. And exhale. One more, keeping the navel engaged to the spine. Inhale and exhale. Good, we're gonna bend all the way down, bringing the hands down. Forward fold, half lift. Good, forward fold. Half lift. All right, left hand right underneath the face and peeling it open. Torso towards the side wall. Good. Give yourself a smile. Hand down. Peeling it open. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Hands back down. This time I want you to clasp your hands behind the back. And bring those shoulder blades together as we have a flat back. Hold it right here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Bring it back down. Forward fold. And hands on the hips. Let's roll it up. Good. All right. We can go heel toe in. Good job. Inhale. And pushing it out, the air down, exhale. Inhale. And coming through heart center. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this workout, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Let's all bow our heads together and say, Namaste.